Just.
I don't know. What?
I don't know. What we're supposed to do.
Is it recording it?
I don't know.
He doesn't know.
That's landed on our benches. That's that's got some quite cool stuff going on at the minute. So I thought I'd just do a quick walk around, like a selfie walk around thing, just to show you what we got going on, basically. So just that one's going out the door. We've got some Tuono Racing RS250. The RS250 is for sale. Nuge's bike. Okay, we've got an SP. I've got an SP, race number 95. Another SP that we've got there that we're just finishing off doing a little bit of work on, just making sure it's clean and ready to go. But what I'll try and do is show you the differences in SP. So we've got frame mounts that are different. So you could basically you can adjust the sort of the height of the swinging arm. We've also got adjustable shims that you can put into the, can't work this out doing a selfie, sorry man, but shims that you can put to change the offset of your forks. It's pretty specific forks, pretty good stuff, pretty good going. Then we've got this. So we've got this. So this here, this basically is an ST70. So I've cleared a little room for, ooh, nearly fell over. Cleared a little room for kind of like a few hours this afternoon, just to see if I can get this going. Now this bike was pretty much one of the first bikes I ever built as an apprentice.
Hey! Wow.
So it's 31 years ago.
It's been 84 years.
I built that bike. It came up on eBay a couple of days ago, so I bought it. So me and my mate Dick Haddon, we built it when we worked at a shop when I was an apprentice. SS50 bottom ends. How many times have you seen an SS50 bottom end just lately? C70 top end. You all know I've got a kind of a thing about doing mini bikes and stuff, but I was quite chuffed to see that. I remember as soon as I saw it on eBay, I was like, oh, that's mine. And I had to get it. Just thought I'd share that with you.